Today, I'll walk you through how to create a database in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your own database so you can organize and manage your data effectively. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google. This is your starting point for accessing all of Google's powerful tools. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner. This is where you'll find all the Google apps. Click on it to reveal a menu of options. Next, find and click on Sheets. This will take you to Google Sheets, where you can create and manage your spreadsheets. Now it's time to create a new spreadsheet. Click on the option that says blank to start with a fresh sheet. This is like opening a blank canvas for your data. With your new spreadsheet open, it's time to paste your data. If you have data ready, simply copy it from your source and paste it into the spreadsheet. This is where your database begins to take shape. And there you have it, you've successfully created a database in Google Sheets. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google frequently updates its interface, but the steps remain consistent. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.